Hi, I'm Pamela, a pharmacist with NewCara Pharmacy. Today, I'd like to talk with you about WartPEEL and how to use it. Hi, my name is Pamela, one of the pharmacists. I'll be going over the WartPEEL with you today. Okay, so what has the doctor told you about the medication and how to use it?
Just that it's for a couple of warts that I have and it's to be used every day.
Okay, perfect. So where are your warts located?
One on my hand, another on my right foot.
Okay, perfect. So before we go over the process here, I'm just going to go over what we provide in the vial for you.
Okay.
So we're going to provide a syringe with the medication in it, 2 reusable and washable applicators,
Okay.
as well as a roll of hypoallergenic tape.
Okay.
So before we apply the medication to the warts, we want to make sure that that area is clean and dry. Okay, so once that area is clean and dry, we'll take the syringe, take the cap off, then take one of the applicators, apply a small amount of the WartPEEL onto the applicator,
Okay.
and then apply directly to the wart, avoiding any of the normal skin.
Okay.
Then once that product is on there, we want to allow about 5 to 10 minutes for the WartPEEL to dry. If you want to speed up that process, you could use a blow dryer on the lowest setting. Okay, so once that's dry, we'll take a piece of the hypoallergenic tape and put it over the warts.
Okay.
So you said you have some warts on your hand and your foot.
Yes.
So if you have any issues applying the WartPEEL on your foot, you can also have someone try to help you do that.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So like you said, we're going to use this product every day, usually overnight. We want to make sure we keep the WartPEEL and the tape on for about 8 hours if possible.
Okay.
In the morning, you could take the tape off, wash the area with soap and water, and you may see that there's some white stuff on the tape that just lets you know that the product is working. Okay, so it's pulling off some of the dead skin, and the wart may also be white as well.
Okay,
Okay.
Good to know.
So what questions do you have about that process?
Are the applicators here washable, or do I need to get new ones each time?
So the applicators are washable and reusable, so you can just use water and soap to just wash those off each time. And then you can just let them air dry until the next time you use them the next night.
Okay.
Okay.
And then what if I were to get some of the WartPEEL on the skin around the wart?
You can just wipe off that area and start over.
Okay.
Okay. That brings me to some of the most common side effects. So we could get a little bit of irritation or redness on the skin around that wart if you happen to get some of that WartPEEL around the area.
Okay.
So you want to do your best to apply the WartPEEL to the wart only, and then make sure that's dry before putting the tape on.
Okay.
Okay. If the WartPEEL is wet, of course it's going to spread when that tape is put on.
Okay.
So that will prevent some of the irritation.
Okay.
Some other precautions we like to warn people about would be to keep this away from anyone that's pregnant or nursing.
Okay.
And keeping it out of the reach of any small children.
Okay.
As well as avoiding any contact with any areas close to the eye, lips, or genitals.
Okay.
So what other questions do you have for me today?
How long should I use it for?
So you want to make sure you use the product every day until the wart's completely gone. Usually we find that it's an average about 7 weeks, but you want to make sure you follow up with your provider to make sure the wart is completely gone before you stop using it.
Okay.
Okay?
What should I do if there's any leftover products?
If there is any leftover product, the product is good for 4 months. So after that time period, we want to make sure that we discard the product. Okay? So our phone number is on the bottle here in case you ever have any questions.
Okay.
You can give us a call at any time, okay?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you have any questions about WartPEEL, including how to use it or any possible side effects, call your NewCara Pharmacy. Our pharmacists are happy to answer any questions you might have.